Good day, employers in Hong Kong. My name is Kaylee Dagel Baloro. I am 34 years old from Philippines. I am married with 2 kids. My son is 14 years old and my daughter is 4 years old. I am the fourth of the family. I have 5 brothers and 1 sister. I have work experience as a domestic helper here in the Philippines for 4 years. My duties there are washing, ironing clothes, marketing, cooking, and taking care of children, and also clean their house. I am hardworking, dedicated, and willing to learn the task given. Sir and ma'am, please hire me as your helper. I will do my best to do my duty, and I will promise to finish my contract and to work with you as long as you need me. Thank you and God bless.